Today we're going to talk about how to resist dishes that age us quickly. Do you know that what you eat could be accelerating your aging process? Yes, you heard right. Today we are going to reveal a crucial secret for your health and longevity. Stay tuned, because I'm going to reveal 3 foods that could be making you age faster than you should. If you want to keep your skin young, have more energy, and feel good for years to come, this video is for you. So, get ready to find out. Refined sugar is one of the biggest villains in modern food. Although it is widely used to sweeten foods and drinks, its harmful effects on the body are vast and well documented. Excessive consumption of refined sugar can lead to weight gain, the development of type 2 diabetes, and various cardiovascular problems. Additionally, sugar can cause rapid spikes in blood glucose followed by sudden drops, leading to a constant feeling of tiredness and irritability. Refined sugar is devoid of essential nutrients, providing only empty calories that contribute to weight gain without adding no nutritional value. When consumed in excess, sugar can lead to the formation of advanced glycation end products, AGEs. These compounds damage collagen and elastin, proteins that keep the skin firm and elastic, resulting in premature wrinkles and sagging. In addition to the skin, AGEs also affect internal organs, causing chronic inflammation and increasing the risk of degenerative diseases. Accelerated organ aging can lead to a range of health problems, including kidney disease, cognitive decline, and cardiovascular problems. Therefore, reducing refined sugar consumption is crucial not only for physical appearance, but also for overall health and longevity. The process by which sugar accelerates aging is called glycation. When we consume sugar, it binds to proteins in the body, forming AGEs. These compounds interfere with the normal function of proteins, leading to tissue stiffness and loss of elasticity. Glycation also triggers inflammatory processes, which are known to accelerate cellular aging and damage DNA. Healthy alternatives to replace sugar. The good news is that there are many healthy alternatives to refined sugar that can satisfy your sweet tooth without the negative effects. One option is to use natural sweeteners, such as honey, maple syrup, and agave nectar. These sweeteners not only add sweetness, but also provide some health-benefiting nutrients and antioxidants. Water flavored with orange, iced teas, sparkling water, lemon, mint. Soft drinks are options. Those sweet drinks that are so addictive even to those over 50 or 60, because they have a flavor that pleases people at this stage of life, and it is common to lose the taste. Another excellent alternative is fresh and dried fruits. They contain natural sugars, along with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that help regulate blood glucose levels and provide sustainable energy. Try adding fruit to yogurts, salads, and smoothies for a sweet and nutritious taste. The second villain on your plate: ultra-processed foods, such as instant noodles, sweet cookies, and ice cream, are loaded with chemical ingredients that can seriously harm your health. These foods often contain high levels of sodium, added sugars, trans fats, and preservatives that contribute to inflammation and increase your risk of chronic disease. Instant noodles, for example, are often high in sodium and saturated fats, which can lead to high blood pressure and heart problems. Sweet cookies and ice cream contain large amounts of sugar and trans fats, which not only contribute to weight gain, but also accelerate the aging process through glycation and inflammation. Impact of ultra-processed foods on aging. Consuming ultra-processed foods regularly can accelerate aging in several ways. Excess sodium and preservatives in ultra-processed foods can cause fluid retention and bloating, in addition to increasing blood pressure. This can result in cardiovascular problems that compromise long-term health. Furthermore, the artificial ingredients present in these foods can cause cellular damage and oxidative stress, factors that accelerate cellular aging. Replacing ultra-processed foods with more natural options can help reduce these effects and promote a longer, healthier life. An excellent alternative to instant noodles is wholemeal noodles or noodles made with vegetables, such as zucchini and carrots. These types of noodles are rich in fiber and nutrients, helping to maintain satiety and digestive health. To replace sweet cookies, try making homemade cookies with healthy ingredients like oats, bananas, and nuts. They are delicious and much more nutritious. Instead of industrialized ice cream, opt for homemade ice cream made with frozen fruit and natural yogurt. Not only are these substitutions healthier, they also satisfy your sweet tooth in a more nutritious way. People who have eliminated ultra-processed foods from their diets often report significant improvements in health. Anna, 52 years old, swapped instant noodles for whole grain versions and noticed a reduction in blood pressure and greater energy. Additionally, she noticed healthier skin and less swelling. Carlos, 58 years old, decided to eliminate sweet cookies and industrialized ice cream, opting for homemade alternatives. He reported considerable weight loss and greater control over his blood sugar levels. These changes not only improved her health, but also increased her confidence and overall well-being. Susan also experimented with making her own frozen fruit ice cream, and the whole family loved the change, including the grandchildren, who really enjoyed it. After all, it's better to start early with our choices. I also started swapping the sugar in my coffee for cinnamon or coconut oil. I swapped the pasta sauce for fresh tomatoes. It's very quick to make this sauce, so I'm changing several habits at home. I'm 66 years old. I have the energy to have fun with the children and run after the animals, of which there are many here. Another thing, many of my friends had the practice of celebrating often with ultra-processed foods such as frozen pizzas due to its practicality. Just take it in the microwave, but it's not worth it. Health is much more important. When you start preparing the dishes you know that it's made with all the affection, food has a different flavor. Is that why we like to eat so much? For example, at Grandma's house, which is done with all the love. I experience this all the time. Nowadays, I take pleasure in preparing my dishes. Sometimes I think about how much work it is, but then I remember my purpose in living longer and better. Do you think so too? Tell me your experience, I'll love it. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier and longer life. By eliminating these villains from your plate, you are investing in your future and your quality of life. Stay strong on this journey and celebrate every small victory. Your health will thank you. Come be part of this good community. Share with the people you want to live with for many years and be happy.